Okay, this is a quick review for the ring light um, by Mojimdo, if that's how you say the brand name. Out of the box, it takes less than 30 seconds to set up. You just screw in the little clip into the light and then plug it into your USB port. I'm going to turn it on now. So this is just ambient natural lighting. I have all the lights in my room off, and it is about 11 in the morning, and I have a single window right to the right of my computer, which never lets in direct light. It's very actually quite shaded. There's a big tree out there, so there's not a whole lot of light. This is actually the best I've seen it in a long time, is in terms of like how much light is coming in. Usually it's a lot darker than that. Okay, here we'll turn on, actually, let's turn on my task lamps. This is sort of my normal situation when I'm on conference calls, and then I move them off to the side, and it brightens up the room, but my skin ends up being really, I don't know, washed out. But anyway, that's what I was hoping that this would solve. And let's turn it on. It does have, I don't know if you can see it, this is the controller, which is attached to the ring light. So I'm just reaching over here. It's hanging between my two monitors. There's a 2-hour, let's see, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and 2-hour button for how to turn it on. So I'm turning on the power button. It's firing up. And you can adjust the brightness. And as you can see, it actually kind of makes my blown out skin look worse. So I'm going to try it with these lights on as well. Crank this up. Yeah, I don't know. This light is very, it's almost fluorescent. It almost makes you look like a cartoon. So I don't know. I don't know if this is the right product for me. It does what it says it's going to do. It definitely brightens you from the front, but I'm just not sure that that actually gives me the right, I don't know, flattering look for video conferencing. So your call.